Number 3. Instant Vortex 9-quart Air Fryer with VersaZone technology. If you're in the market for a large capacity air fryer, the Instant Vortex 9-quart is the one to beat. First and foremost, this air fryer offers an impressive 9-quart capacity, the largest of any basket-style air fryer on the market. Its removable divider allows you to cook 2 different foods at once, making it perfect for feeding a crowd or simply saving time. The 8-in-1 functionality of the Instant Vortex is a game changer. You can bake, roast, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and even use Sync Cook and Sync Finish features that help you cook multiple dishes simultaneously with ease. The EvenCrisp technology ensures every meal comes out golden and crispy, while the one-touch smart programs make cooking a breeze. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex is the fast preheating time. No more waiting around for the oven to warm up. This air fryer goes from frozen to golden in minutes. Plus, the non-stick dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a cinch. While the Instant Vortex 9-quart is on the larger side, it's well worth the counter space. Its safety features provide peace of mind, and the versatility of cooking 2 separate meals at once is a huge time saver. The only downside to the Instant Vortex is its size, which may be a concern for those with limited kitchen space. However, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Instant Vortex 9-quart is the best large-capacity air fryer on the market, offering unmatched versatility, convenience, and ease of use. Check out the Instant Vortex 9-quart now and revolutionize your cooking experience.